We got a Genie model CM7600-ICA, 1/3 horsepower Genie Pro screw drive. All right, door's going down just fine, but when you try to open it, the inside of the screw is not rotating. Take a look. So it goes down. All right. No rotation. All right. That's a clear indicator right there that you might have a broken coupler. All right, guys, don't forget to unplug your unit before you start messing around with this thing. The light bulb here is real hot. Guys, first thing you're gonna do is go ahead and remove these two with a 7/16 head. And you got your nuts on this side. So we'll take those off and we'll go from there. Because the goal here is we want to separate this rail from the motor. You know, sometimes you can do that just by pushing on the motor itself, but we have a issue here because it's not connected to an angle iron, giving it some flexibility from here. We'll have to loosen this and possibly might have to take it off, make life a little easier. Using a 13mm. All right, guys, so I got the screws out. Let's drop it down. And I left the sensor and wall button wires on here, so if I do have to let it hang slightly, it can. But watch this, just simply pull back on the motor. Keep pulling back, and it's gonna open up for you right there. See that? Get that in there. Look at all that shaving in there. Let me get this thing to... There you go. All right. Here's your coupler. Let me turn this over here. Give it some position to rest on. Right there. You see that coupler in there grinded out. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out. I have to get out with a flathead. All right. Yeah, look at that. Okay, there's your coupler. So this is unable to spin. Well, it's spinning, but it's not grabbing that screw on the inside of that rail. Okay, because this piece right here and the other side is grinded down. You don't have a tight groove in there like that. All right, here's our new coupler. I'm gonna feed it right in, okay? Grooves. Rotate it till it fits right in there. Okay, it's locked in. Now we'll go ahead and slide our motor right back in here. All right, sliding the motor back on. Get it in here all the way through. All right, so we got her in there right there. All right, guys, we got everything back hooked up. Connected the wires again. Settings are turned up. We're connected here and we're tight on the other side. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in and we'll do a test. Lock the trolley. All right, so before it was going down, but it would not come up. Let's try it. So, there it is.